Wait, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let Ronika talk. Go ahead, bitch.
I already said what the fuck I had to say, bitch. You
And
saw my
you ain't
comment.
said
Why the
motherfucking
fuck did
nothing,
you
you
tell
long lip
Tommy
bitch,
K?
because I
Why you telling
motherfucking
Tommy
can.
K
That's
Auntie Patty's
why.
messages?
Because
You be
I
doing that
fucking
fake ass
can.
messy shit.
Because
Then
I
you play
fucking can.
fucking
Is
victim.
you gonna
You a
do something?
victimizing ass
Is you
messy
gonna
ass
do something?
bitch.
Is you
That's what
gonna
the
do
fuck you
something?
is.
And
You
guess
a
what? And you a
victimizing
fan,
messy
bitch.
ass
And you a
bitch. You
fan. And
always
you a
starting shit
fan.
in the
And
motherfucking
you a
behind the
fucking fan.
motherfucking scene,
You
then
long
trying to
lip
put it like
sour
you
pussy
don't do
smelling
shit.
ass
Girl,
bitch.
you
You ain't
faking,
gonna
you
do
messy as the
nothing.
fuck,
You're
bitch.
not going
Now,
to
what else
do
do you have to
nothing.
motherfucking
And
say,
you're
bitch?
not
Because the
going
same
to
thing I
do
just told you in the
nothing.
fucking
You
comments
long lip
that your
sour
big
pussy
bug-eyed
smelling
ass
ass
just
bitch.
motherfucking
And guess
read,
what?
bitch.
I can
I
sit
got
on
up
your
here
husband
and
face,
told you
bitch,
the
and he
same
gonna like it
motherfucking
any
thing.
motherfucking
Fuck
way. And
your
you mad.
scary ass.
And you
Bitch, you
mad.
got picks
And
and
you
chooses.
mad.
Bitch,
And
you
you
scared of
mad.
every
And you
motherfucking body
mad.
hoe.
And
You
you
scared
mad.
of Ashley,
And
bitch.
you
You
mad.
ain't mentioned
And you
that
mad.
whole name
And
since
you
you
bad.
tried to take
And
that
you
bitch to court.
bad. And you bad, hot bitch. Girl, go sit on the fucking toilet, you long lip, sour smelling pussy ass bitch. Fuck you, your mama, your kids, your grandma, your daddy, and your fucking uncle, you long lip hoe.
Oh my God, what just happened? Oh, hold on. What the fuck did I
Fuck
miss?
your fake cancer having ass, you fake cancer patient having ass bitch. Ugly ass hoe. Bitch, you ain't got no motherfucking cancer. You fake ass hoe with your gay ass husband. Bitch, when your husband looking at fucking sweets to have, you nasty ass hoe.
Damn. What just happened? Oh my God, China.
What? And even with me having fake cancer, as you say, clearly you need a job at to be an RN because clearly I make you whole sick. So clearly do your profession, bitch. So clearly you need to be a nurse since I keep making you whole sick.
Oh Lord, hold on. What happened?
Bitch, you not even supposed to be on the motherfucking app. Your scare ass gonna cry in the fucking car. Bitch, you
Well,
gonna
guess
say
what,
somebody
bitch?
fucking
I got
bullying your
five of them.
scary ass.
I got
You gonna say
five of them
somebody
I can
bullying
get
your
in.
scary ass, but tonight, bitch, who
And
you trying to impress? Who you
and I
over here
got
trying to
five
impress,
that
bitch?
I
Cause
can
you
go
a
get in
weak
the
punk
front.
bitch.
You want me to
You
get in
are a fucking
the car? You want
coward.
me to get in the
Bitch,
truck?
you
You want me
talk
to get in
shit
the
and you
motorcycle?
hide your
Which one
motherfucking
you want me to
hands, bitch.
which one you want me to get in, baby? Because I got five I
Girl,
can
get
get in
your fake.
right
Bitch, you're not even from New Orleans with this fake ass accent. Bitch, you
and
aren't you from Mississippi,
and not
Alabama?
and
Get
not
your fake ass
and
on,
not
ho. You ain't
not
even from motherfucking
not
New Orleans. Bitch,
and
you a
not,
fake ass hoe. You a fucking
not.
girl.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You done talking because you sound like you need an asthma pump at this point. You clearly is definitely a fan. Get back in the box.
Oh my
Get,
gosh, what the hell?
get it off your chest, honey.
Wait, I think somebody else inside the queue.
Okay, come back, girlfriend. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Good evening, ladies. Hello, Miss Precious. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Hey, Miss China. I met you last night at Bertha's. I hit your
How
chat
are
up.
you?
I'm doing
Let me
good. You
stop
looked so
right
pretty last night, so it was so fun meeting you. But I want the information for August 12th. If you could send me that so I can come out and support.
now. Okay, I'll make sure I send it to you with my fake cancer having that. Toodles.
Girl, and it's so crazy that they're talking about that right now. And I literally just met her last night, Precious. We was out and I saw her at Bertha's and she looked so cute and she was so nice and approachable.
Yes, I love
So
China. He is. You know,
so
I,
please send me
I
that information whenever you
yeah.
get a chance. Y'all ladies have a good
Okay,
night.
I will. I followed you.
Okay.
Yeah, I just hate the messy stuff that, you know, that's surrounding it because China didn't she don't deserve all of that. You know what I'm saying?
And
But
one
that's the
thing,
product of Ashley Shepherd.
I don't care about that. Let
So
me let
what
my
reason did you have to be texting Pammy and then sending this to Tommy K? Girl,
because
keep on
I
even fucking
fucking
with your
can.
ugly ass when he was here.
Because I
What
can.
reason did your messy
Because
ass
I can.
have to text Pammy and to
Because
send the
I
messages
can.
to Tommy
You
fucking
want me to
K? What was that
next?
your place?
You want
Girl,
me
you
to
ain't
text
have nothing to
you
do.
that?
You always involving your ugly ass
Yep.
self in something,
Yep.
then trying to play
Yep.
fucking victim. That's why
Yep.
shit always happening in your
Yep. Well, let me go. Let me call 911 right now so they can come get your stupid ass help. Somebody, please. She's about to hurt me in this box. Can somebody please call 911? Please, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Please help me, Lord. She finna come get me. Ronika, please. I'm sorry, Ronika. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. Bitch, you next.
Oh Lord, whew,
Oh, Lord.
that is insane. Ugh.
Mm.
Ugh. That is insane. Okay, Lord Jesus. I don't even know what to say about that. Ooh. Y'all know I don't really be up in the church business like that, but that is too much. Pumpkin.
Right. I came over here to give you the content for tonight. Let me get dressed and get the club theme. Talk to you later. Got a section waiting on me.
Okay, girl, let's get it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh Lord,
Mm. Mm.
that was a
Baby, the
lot,
coffee girls is messy tonight, honey. I love y'all.
girl.
Y'all
Cause I done
some
gained so
messy.
much weight, I gotta learn how to rethrow this shit, girl. Okay.
Y'all some y'all some messy bitches, okay?
Yeah, that was a lot right there. I didn't expect that at all. Okay.
Oh girl, honey. This ain't about me and my half of a leave out with a little bit of this hair. Bitch, this shit deeper than me right
Ooh.
now. Leave the room, bitch.